When God gave me you, He showed out. He really showed out. Because He gave you to me so early. But you fought, and look at who you are today. It's amazing. You are a walking miracle. And you are my hero. You're my twin. You're my joy. You're my peace. You're my headache at times. But you are my everything. Caden, you make me so proud of the things you do for others, the things you have accomplished in your little small length of time that you've been here on this earth. You have been just amazing. And I know God has some amazing things in store for you. And I can't wait to see and be a part and continue to be your forever biggest, loudest cheerleader that you will ever have in life, no matter what you're doing. And I love you so much, Mr. Caden Dwayne, my tutor. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Love you, Caden.
My man, Caden. Happy birthday, brother. Hey, listen, 12. That's big time. You know, you got one more year. We in that 13, the teenage years. Listen, all serious, man. We love you. We love the person that you're becoming, the young man, the values and characters that you possess. I really appreciate you. You just don't understand how much more inspiration and fight you've given me to keep pressing on and doing the best I can for you and your brothers. Love you. Happy 12th birthday. Continue to be you. Continue to be great. Continue to care for others. Care for yourself. And I look forward to what your future has for you. Take care. Love you. Happy birthday.
Oh, my baby, all grown up. I'm so proud of you. You have done so good. GOODJOB, good job, good job. GOODJOB, good job, good job. GOODJOB, good job, good job. Love you. Happy birthday.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.